If your fish keeps coming out dry, rubbery, or uneven in the air fryer, it's not your fault, it's your machine. Stay with this countdown, because by the time you see number 1, you'll know exactly which air fryer can give you restaurant-level crispy fish at home every single time. So if you've ever wondered why one recipe says 10 minutes at 390 degrees Fahrenheit and yours still comes out soggy or overdone, keep watching, because the right air fryer makes all the difference. 7. COSORI Pro LE. The COSORI is a compact basket-style air fryer that can absolutely cook fish well, but takes a bit more attention and tweaking than the higher-ranked models. As a typical basket air fryer, it relies on a strong top-mounted heating element and rapid air circulation to crisp the outside of your fillets. For simple breaded whitefish at around 380 to 390 degrees Fahrenheit, for 10 to 15 minutes, it hits that familiar sweet spot. A golden coating and a flaky center when you flip halfway and don't overcrowd the basket. Where it does well is with quick weeknight fish, frozen fillets, fish sticks, or fish fingers, because the preheat is short and the control panel is simple. You load in a single layer, tap in the time and temperature, and it gives you that deep-fried look with very little oil. However, when moving from basic breaded fish to more delicate recipes, like lightly oiled cod with lemon and herbs, the Pro LE shows some of its limits. The airflow is strong, which is great for crisping, but can sometimes create slightly uneven results if the fillets aren't identical in thickness or if you crowd the basket. Thicker pieces benefit from cooking closer to 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes to avoid drying, but this requires manual adjustment because there's no fish-specific preset to guide you. The machine itself feels geared more toward fries and chicken than fine-tuned seafood control, so you find yourself checking the fish early and often while you learn its quirks. 6. Typhur AF13. The Typhur is a more modern-looking air fryer that feels like it was designed for people who want power and speed first, and then learn to tame it for delicate foods like fish. The heating system in this kind of unit tends to be very efficient, quick to preheat, fast to crisp breading, and capable of handling frozen fish fillets straight from the freezer at higher temperatures like 390 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit in as little as 10 to 12 minutes. For beer-battered or sandwich-style fillets, that power is a huge plus, giving a crunchy exterior without having to deep fry. The control panel usually offers several presets, and while there might not always be a dedicated fish button, seafood and similar modes can serve as useful starting points. Where the Typhur AF13 can be a bit challenging is with gentle cooking. Fish is a fast-cooking protein, and when the air fryer runs hot, it's easy to overshoot that ideal internal temperature of around 145 degrees Fahrenheit, especially in thinner fillets. With lean white fish, a better approach is often to drop the temperature into the 360 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit range and cook 8 to 12 minutes depending on thickness, flipping once and checking early. That extra step of manually pulling the temperature back helps maintain moisture and prevents the edges from going leathery while you wait for the center to finish. The Typhur unit can do this, but it asks more of the user in terms of attention and practice. 5. COSORI CAF DC601 KUS TurboBlaze. The COSORI CAF, often marketed with a TurboBlaze-style high-efficiency fan and a premium ceramic-coated basket, immediately feels like a step up for fish-focused cooking. That ceramic interior matters when working with delicate fillets. It reduces sticking and makes it easier to remove fish in one piece, especially when you only lightly oil the basket instead of heavily greasing it. The powerful, but more refined airflow crisps coatings evenly without needing to shake or stir as often as some basic units. For standard breaded fish at 380 to 390 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes, the TurboBlaze style system handles both frozen and thawed fillets with a consistent golden exterior and flaky interior. Where this COSORI shines for fish is temperature flexibility. With a broad range, often around 90 degrees to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it gives you the option to gently cook fatty fish like salmon or steelhead at lower temps around 360 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then finish with a short high heat blast if you want extra browning on the top. That two-stage approach, starting lower to cook through without drying out, then going hotter for crisping, is particularly effective with thicker cuts for thinner, delicate white fish. Staying in the mid-range and checking at the 8 to 10 minute mark keeps the flesh juicy and tender. Having precise temperature control makes all of this easier to repeat without guesswork. Because of the upgraded interior and better airflow, cleaning up after a fish dinner feels less like a chore. 4. Ninja AF101. The Ninja represents a tried and true classic in the air fryer world, and its performance with fish shows why it remains popular. This compact unit offers modes like air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, all built on a strong heating system and well-designed basket that promotes even airflow. For breaded fish fillets, fish sticks, and fish fingers, the AF101 can deliver that golden, crunchy coating at around 390 to 400 Fahrenheit in roughly 10 to 15 minutes when flipped halfway, very close to what many tested recipes recommend. The results are especially convincing when you lightly oil the basket and the breading, just enough to help browning without going greasy. When shifting to more delicate preparations, the AF101 remains impressively forgiving. Dropping the temperature to the 360 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit zone allows thicker fillets to cook through evenly in about 10 to 12 minutes, avoiding the dry, stringy texture that happens when the exterior overcooks before the center is done. The Ninja's consistent heat makes timing more predictable, so once you've tested a specific type of fish, say salmon, cod, or haddock, you can repeat the same settings and expect nearly identical outcomes. Many home cooks find they can follow general air fryer fish guidelines and match them almost exactly with this model, which speaks to its reliability. Another advantage of the AF101 is its versatility around fish dishes. You are not limited to fillets. The roast mode can handle salmon portions with vegetables, or you can pair fish fingers with fries in successive quick batches without a long preheat between them. 3. T-fal EY8228U0 Infrared No-Shake Technology. The T-fal is an air fryer that leans into infrared heating and no-shake technology. This design aims to minimize the need to open the basket and shake food mid-cook by delivering more even heat from the outset. That is particularly appealing with fish because every time you open the basket, you release heat and risk the coating breaking or the fillet sticking. With the T-fal, properly spaced fillets can cook through from frozen or thawed with less intervention, still emerging with a crisp exterior and moist interior. For classic breaded white fish, cooking in the 380 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit range for around 10 to 15 minutes remains a good rule of thumb, but the infrared assistance helps reduce hot spots and gives more uniform browning. Users who prefer not to fuss with flipping halfway can still achieve a pretty even crust, though flipping once is still best practice, especially with thicker pieces. The no-shake philosophy really comes into its own when cooking multiple fillets at once. As long as the basket isn't overcrowded, the fish tends to cook more consistently edge to edge than in some older designs. When cooking more delicate or fatty fish like salmon, the T-fal works well at slightly lower temperatures, 360 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, for 8 to 12 minutes depending on thickness. This gentler approach, combined with the even heat, allows the center to reach that recommended doneness temperature around 145 degrees Fahrenheit without the surface drying out. Because the machine is designed with seafood and fish presets among its options, it helps newer air fryer users get in the right ballpark without guessing. 2. Instant Pot Vortex Plus. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus is a versatile air fryer that many home cooks already know from recipes specifically written for it, including fish. With pre-programmed functions like air fry, roast, bake, reheat, broil, and dehydrate, it covers a wide range of cooking tasks. But its performance with fish is a standout. The Vortex Plus tends to heat quickly and maintain temperature well, making it easy to follow common guidelines such as 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes on breaded fillets, flipping halfway for a crispy crust and flaky interior. What makes the Vortex Plus particularly attractive for fish is how user-friendly it is. Many fish recipes online reference specific time and temperature combinations for this exact machine, like 370 degrees Fahrenheit for about 16 to 20 minutes for softer fish, or around 370 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes for hardier red fish types, so you can replicate tested results with confidence. Its presets give clear starting points, and the digital interface makes adjustments simple if you want your fish slightly more browned or more moist. Because fish cooks quickly, that clarity is incredibly valuable. You spend less time guessing and more time getting consistent results. The basket and non-stick interior of the Vortex Plus also support frequent fish cooking. It is easy to lightly oil the grate, arrange fillets in a single layer without overcrowding, and trust that the circulating air will crisp all sides as long as you give the fish space. Ninja AF400 UK. The Ninja AF400 UK, also known as the Ninja Foodie Max Dual Zone, an air fryer that combines serious power, large capacity, and dual basket flexibility in a way that feels almost tailor-made for fish lovers. This 9.5-liter machine gives you 2 independent cooking zones, each with its own temperature and timer, so you can cook fish in one drawer and sides like chips or vegetables in the other. Then use sync or match functions to have both finish at the same time. In independent testing, it has repeatedly shown outstanding ability to crisp fish fingers, frozen fish fillets, and mixed fish plus veg meals faster than many competitors while maintaining excellent texture. For fish specifically, the AF400 UK offers modes like Max Crisp and Air Fry that work beautifully at temperatures up to about 240 degrees Celsius, around 464 degrees Fahrenheit, giving incredible browning and crunch on frozen breaded fish in a short time frame. At the same time, you can manually set more moderate temperatures, such as 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit, for around 6 to 12 minutes depending on thickness, to gently cook fresh fillets until they flake easily with a fork. Reviews note that the Ninja is so powerful that you often need to shorten typical oven times significantly to avoid overcooking, which for fish is actually an advantage once you learn to check on it a bit earlier. The result is consistently crisp exteriors and moist interiors, whether you're cooking simple frozen portions or fresh salmon with vegetables. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.